Hi again, Rob here at SDC International Shipping. I wanted to do just a little bit deeper dive. I've done one of these tutorials on shipping your electronic devices overseas, but I want to do just a little deeper dive on that. Okay, so we've talked about answering the question that is, can I ship my electronic devices and appliances from the US to anywhere overseas? For the most part, the answer is yes. Second question is, can I use them overseas? And the answer there is yes. A couple of different ways of handling that. First of all, many, if not most, electronic items today are going to be dual current ready or dual standard ready. That means they can run on anything from 100 to 240 volts and either 50 or 60 hertz. That's the frequency of the wave. They're ready to go. How will you know if something is dual current ready? Well, for example, this is a DC, AC to DC box that you may see that's used with your laptop or something. And right on here, it will say input. It says input 100 to 240 VAC, volts alternating current. It'll then say 50/60 HZ. That is either 50 or 60 hertz. So it's ready to go. Okay. That's dual standard ready items. Now, even with those, you might have to buy a converter for the prongs, but that's okay. That's not a big deal. If it is not, your appliance that you're looking to ship and use is not dual standard ready, it'll only say 120 VAC, 60 HZ. That means it's only good for North America for the most part. In that case, you can still buy a converter, a step-down converter. So let's hypothetically say you're moving from the United States to the UK. The electricity, residential electricity coming out of the wall, is going to be at 240 volts and 50 hertz. But your appliance is only good to 120 volts and 60 hertz. Okay, well, you buy a step-down converter. It steps down the voltage from 240 to 120, changes the frequency, and you plug your device into that, and you're good to go. Pretty simple. So again, the question is, can I ship my electronic items from the US overseas? Yes. More importantly, can I use them? Yes. Simply buy a step-down converter and an adapter, perhaps. And you can buy those at pick your favorite retailer, Amazon, Best Buy, doesn't matter. And they're not particularly expensive. I hope it's been real helpful.